Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail. This is quick and easy, so just follow me. First, open your YouTube app and hit the plus icon at the middle here. And go upload a video you like. And me, I'ma use my monitor here. So just continue to upload until you reach this section where you can see a small pencil icon at the video here. So just click the pencil. And now, you can see and you can choose your desired thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.